Katika on day ka chuan. Good morning everyone. Last class. We start with chapter 1, nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants sin kan chana tiro last class a khan. Chuan on cha. Our body needs nutrients kan tiro components of food. Components of food a khan nutrients kan zira tiro nutrients food chuan nutrients an kon an paya chuan khang nutrients ho kha engting kan ti kha ni kuma kan zir to a protein te carbohydrate fats vitamins le minerals kan tia tiro chuan khang proteins fats vitamins minerals food components ho kha they are called nutrients kan ti kha chuan living organisms thil nung zong living organisms ho kha food amma mo ve ka tiro we all require food chuan food chu engting nge kan nei ang khoi ching nge kan thil ele in te kha tiro machine te ramsa te khang ho khan ele in kan le food kan channan kan tak sa maintain nan energy min petu tan te khang kha tang khan kan ma mo ve ka food kha nutrients kha chuan ke mani me ni lo ke mani chia ni lo plants animals chia ni lo plants te po khan amma mo ve ve ka an chong thei lo wa uncle thei bok lo ma se food amma mo ve ve ka chuan mode of nutrition in plants mode of nutrition in plants kha last kan soi to boka first page khan mode of nutrition in plants the new nutrition kan ti chuan nutrition is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body engting ways of nutrition engting methods of nutrition te kan tiang in plants engting food organisms plants khan engting food asiam engting ataksa in khan ahman le dan khang kha kan end tur su nia hemi chapter a chuan nutrition kan ti chuan it is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body kan ti kha chuan depending on the mode of nutrition and mode of nutrition na zir khan organisms kha there are in plants and animals organisms also organism ti chuan plants and animals kha huam vek thil nu kha chuan they are divided into two types number one is autotrophic nutrition autotrophic nutrition and number two is heterotrophic nutrition hei tu la sa kan soi vek to kan soi thuak ringo tang autotrophic nutrition kan ti chuan textbook oma page 1 khan the mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substance is called autotrophic nutrition therefore plants are called autotrophs example to green plants how ka mania to in siam the khang ho kha autotrophic nutrition sanya chuan khang in siam thei ho organisms kha it is called autotrophs autotrophs chuan example to green plants green plants so hi an mania to in siam thei om chun cho siam kan ti khan khang nutrients carbon protein te vitamins minerals te khang ho kha in siam chop thei kha aro substance changin aro substance changai mani in siam chop thei ho kha autotrophic nutritions then the second type plants si lo zong kha hemi second type hian huam veka chu heterotrophs heterotrophs animals and most other organisms taking food prepared by plants sina siam sa kha plants sina siam sa cho kha khang a ho kha they are called heterotrophs chua khang nutritions mang ho kha autotrophic nutrition anti heterotrophic nutritions zia chu green plants si lo zong khang ho kham mania cho siam thelo khang nutrients carbon proteins kan ti te khang panga ho kha panga ho mania siam thelo kha khang kha heterotroph swayan om vek heterotroph swayan om vek chuan claim te last an photosynthesis kan soi man te ro cell enge ni te kha kan soi in la chiam cell chuan organism zong kha organism zong kha cell they are made up of cell, one or more cell. Organism chen kha tu cell pakhatin a siama a chen chu hundreds chen chu thousand millions khang tam tak khan siama mishing de po atira chuan cell pakhat cha ina siam kan ya ti khan cell kha lo in divide zela tuna chuan million sam tak ti ro kan tak sa chunga ina min siam ta chuan cell kan ti chuan it have basic structure cell to structure and functional unit of life nunna in chan na kha cell structure and functional unit of life kan tia chuan cell reng shape shang oma ma se khang shape shang nei ma se measure structure basic structure an nei veka cell tinin chuan chung basic structure chung e kan ti chuan hei suppose hei cell ni ta se cell khalo ni ta se chuan cell chuan covering a nei veka atuam tu covering a nei veka chu it is called cell membrane cell membrane tuam tu nei veka chu cell membrane mishing pon kan tak sa chung protect nan khan inge kan nei covering kan nei tero kan skin kan vun kha tero khang tiang cha khan cell pon achunga om te kha protect nan khan mun kha ta da nan khan thil tuam tu khan e chu cell membrane cell membrane chuan alai taka cell lai taka chuan thil du ma oma chu nucleus thil mum du ma oma chu nucleus nucleus antia nucleus chunga chuan inge om kan ti chuan kan DNA te kan genetic material ho kha khan oma chuan nucleus le cell membrane in ka hang space kha arwak to blow thil tui ril kha achunga hian oma jelly ang deu kha oma chu cytoplasm manti cytoplasm page 2 om kha chunga box a khan ashinga khan cells a khan cytoplasm manti chuan basic structure chu cell membrane nucleus le cytoplasm an nei vek cell chuan cell reng in chuan photosynthesis photosynthesis a chuan ama saberin photosynthesis kha nge omzia kan chen chang anga word ta kha photosynthesis kha photosynthesis in science a chuan photo hi general chuan common a chuan photo chu thalak ti na ma se in science a chuan photo hi photosynthesis a photo kha a omzia chu light ti na light 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 ti na chuan synthesis chu combine ti na chu combine photo chu light ti na nia synthesis chu combine omzia chu cho food siam na food sia plants ina food siam na siam nang khan light light kha amamo light te lo chuan plants khan cho siam thei lo main siam chu siam nang khan thil dang zong mo zong ingredients kha nei ma se light te lo chuan engma thei lo khang ho lo zom khom tu di khom tu tur kha light amamo chuan synthesis chu combine kan ti kha chuan photosynthesis chu omzia chu it is the process of synthesis of food it is the process of synthesis of food in plants with the help of chlorophyll and carbon dioxide with the help of chlorophyll carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight sunlight om nge ngai hei photo minga chang khan light kan ti do kha sunlight kha om nge ngai chuan photosynthesis kan ma mo chu chlorophyll kan ma mo a carbon dioxide kan ma mo a chuan sunlight kan ma mo boka khang pathum kha plant sin nei chuan cho siam thei chuan khang a chu siam na process kha cho siam kha mi process kha khang pathum kha neya chuan cho a siam khan a process kha it is called photosynthesis photosynthesis in video on vek ru tu nge on lau hey on lau tam tu helenite la atlani te kimpuya an tam lu tu HVL ti te Esther Ming Chuang ti te on vek tu chuan engge photosynthesis engge thleng photosynthesis a chuan khoi lai plants a nge thleng kan ti chuan leaves a cho siam na plants ina food a siam na cho siam na chu a leaves a leaves om ta chuan sai pahni nei tro chunglam le hnuai lam nei tro chuan a hnuai lama khan a hnuai lam zoka khan a chung lam zoka khan khang leaves hnuai lama khan ko te reu te mi tam mu thei lo minute pores ko te reu te mi tam mu thei lo kha a oma microscope hnuai a chang mu thei chuan khang ko te reu te kha khang ko te reu te kha an chia lo nan khang akobula khan selin an venga khang ko te reu te kha selin an venga chuan khang cell kha it is called guard cell guard chuan min veng chin tiro guard cell an tia chuan khang ko te reu te opening heta leaves hnuai lama om kha it is called stomata stomata it is called stomata chuan khang stomata kha an chian lo nang khan cellin a protect ka chuan kha cell protect tu kha it is called guard cell alem chu page 3 a khan om figure a khan chuan plants khan cho siam dong khan carbon dioxide ma mo kan tia tiro carbon dioxide ma mo kan tia chuan khang carbon dioxide ho kha leaves no ya ta stomata openings a khan stomata kan ti chuan small openings under the leaves khang a khan carbon dioxide kha an lu tanga carbon dioxide kha an lu tanga chuan khang ba ka khan carbon dioxide ba ka khan water ma mo le a Deborah stop presenting ki medro khang carbon dioxide ba ka han chu siam na ham ma mo dang ala ne ya water te water te minerals kha ma mo le ta chuan khoi chang ye kan alang nu ve leng kan ti chuan a leaves chang khan la lu to lowin stomata kha chu carbon dioxide lang lu nan cha mang carbon dioxide lang lu nan cha manga chuan carbon dioxide to gas gas lang lu nan cha khan manga carbon dioxide chuan water te minerals kha adang siam nang khan ma mo ve le khang water kha heta soil chang khan le chang khan a roots khan hi ve lenga hi ve lenga chuan heta a stem ma han roots chang khan stem ma kal chunga stem chunga khan vessels an oma pipe pang deuh ti khan plants a part shang a branch te a leaves te heta a tip thleng khan mun shang kha a connect veka vessels an dita chung chu chuan khanga khan water kha chawanga heta roots khan a absorb panga chuan stem khan a kondakang last year roots absorb water kan teatro stem conduct water kan ti kha root khan soil tui kha absorb panga hi panga chuan stem khan mun chang chang amamo na de khala pe kwa lang different parts a khan chuan heta a leaves a han to siam nang khang water kha mamo a chuan carbon dioxide po kha amamo a chu heta leaves noi chang khan tro stomata chang khang carbon dioxide kha la lu ta chuan heta a roots a chang khan stem heta aron pe kwa la water kha tro chuan khami patni kha nei to khami carbon dioxide le water a nei to kha chuan plants khan amamo dang le chu chlorophyll chlorophyll amamo le chuan chlorophyll chu plants leaves se color pe tu kha green color pe tu kha green pigment green color pe tu kha chlorophyll anti chlorophyll chuan chlorophyll kha achang kai na plants in nga tinge amamo kan ti chuan khang carbon dioxide le water hang ringot kha plants khan nei ringot ma se nei ringot ma se cho kha asiam tel thelo achan chu combine tu kha ngai combine tu kha ngai ya chuan khami combine tu khan enge ngai kan ti kha sunlight angai nge tiro aming photosynthesis achang khan light sunlight angai nge chuan sunlight chuan energy provider energy provider chuan khang sunlight ho kha ni zung kha lo man tur khan plant sa khan lo man khom tur khan energy lo convert tur khan chlorophyll hi mamo plants in chlorophyll tel lo chuan to siam thei lo pakhat photosynthesis a chuan sunlight angai nge ya carbon dioxide water angai bo ka tro chlorophyll angai bo pakhat po kim lo chuan pakhadan kim lo chuan pakhat kim lo ta se cho siam thei lo yang khan an independent ve kan ni chu chuan chlorophyll kha chlorophyll ho khang sunlight energy ho kha alo convert energy alo convert nga chuan heta stomata changa carbon dioxide carbon dioxide alag lu kha le heta roots changa tro soil changa water alag lu kha dikhan anin combine nga chuan in anin combine nang khan energy mamoa chu energy chu chlorophyll khan alo capture tiro alo capture chuan kha energy mang khan chemical reaction o mga reaction kha lo o mga chuan a product chu khang carbon dioxide water sunlight kha a impol nu khan khan a product chu carbohydrate kan ti kha carbohydrate plus oxygen oxygen carbohydrate food aron sia mga food aron sia mga chuan oxygen a product pakhat bok a side product chuan tree gives us oxygen kan ti shin ta tiro chuan khami food a siam photosynthesis a product pakhat ani chu oxygen chu chuan oxygen chu kan mamo na kan she vek tiro oxygen telewing kan nung thei lau tiro human beings in kan mamo chuan kha oxygen kha trees cha changin alo chua ka tiro chuan alo chhuak top lo tree cha chang khan photosynthesis process a cho asiam pa khan cho carbohydrate asiam pa khan oxygen kha byproduct alo omtel alo siam chhuak tel chuan chu oxygen chu khoya chang engting elo chuang kan ti chuan stomata chang tho khan stomata khan gas sia in exchange ani chu carbon dioxide luta stomata khan chu siam na khan atira carbon dioxide luta chuan asiam zone huwa khan oxygen stomata tho khan aron chhuak le aron chhuak le chuan carbohydrates carbohydrate siam nang kha chuan oxygen carbon le hydrogen na mamo turo last class I mean class 6 a khan kan zir vek to kha components of food a khan carbohydrates a khan it is made up of carbon hydrogen and oxygen kan ti to kha ina sha carbohydrate is an energy giving food kan ti kha tiro kan la chave kang sha lo pon sha chwa tum tur chuan carbohydrates to oxygen oxygen carbon le hydrogen na siamita chuan khang ho pathum kha khoi chenge a nei kan ti chuan hey photosynthesis a khan carbon dioxide oma tiro carbon dioxide a hang carbon om tiro carbon oma chuan water a kha hydrogen oma chuan water a khan hydrogen le oxygen oma chuan chu amamok carbohydrate siam nan chuan amamok pathum chu a kim vek to chuan kha bhaga ham plants khan chu siam khan carbohydrates ngor kha siam lo so entinan a fruits te khan food siam khan thil ara te kha te ro khanga khan carbohydrates lang ngor omlo tiro protein se tiro nutrients han protein se vitamin se mineral se kha lo tel ve chin fats se ka chuan khang siam nang khan proteins kan ti te fats se kan ti khang siam nan khan carbon ba ka khan carbon oxygen le hydrogen ba ka khan compound pakhat ma mo te la ne ya chu nitrogen 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 na nge te langai thil dang siam turin nutrients dang siam turin chu khoi chang ya ne yang an ti chuan soil chang khan soil kam nitrogen chu kan bo rock 70% hey kan surrounding 70% hi nitrogen nitrogen ina fila kan atmosphere kan air kha chuan ma se heng bo rock nitrogen kha nitrogen kha aman top theilau aman top theilau khang nitrogen kha plants khan amang top theilau astomata chang khan atilu ve top theilau achan chu kan boro ka nitrogen kha unusable form in ma aman ngal theilau unusable form in ma chu wang chuan usable form convert photanga ya
Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Who is that Frost? Ngay thật đủ lâu các chú có remove mắc mặc đồn dêu nha. Chuan nitrogen na mamo kan dita tro protein se siam nang khan chuan fat se siam nang khan chuan nitrogen kha era a present ve thawa ma se stomata khan la lu ve theilo plants khan achan chu khang nitrogen kha unusable form ania unusable form ania usable form man ma khan a convert phatanga ya chuan chu mi convert tu chuan soil khan bacteria bacteria che khat oma rhizobium ti chuan khang rhizobium bacteria ho khan nitrogen usable form unusable form kha plants in man thei tu khan usable form lo convert soil khan leya khan chuan khang a convert nu kha plants in tuye hip chawra khan water absorb ra khan roots khan khang nga khan water along with water khan khang nitrogen usable form kha lo tela ti khan plants khan taksa body ya khan ti khan nitrogen amamo chu ala lu chi chuan photosynthesis ina a product photosynthesis process a product ber chu carbohydrates in ta ma se so plants in entina so siam ta a fruits te tiro khang ha ato siam a product sang kan lo eta chuan khang khan carbohydrates lang ringot nga lo ba proteins protein shenkhatte tiro tlem te fats vitamins khang kha oma chu khang asiam tel nang khan nitrogen te mamo kan tia chuan khang kha heta soil changin ala lu ve photosynthesis ngor carbohydrate siam tur kha chuan plants khan amamo kha carbon dioxide kha stomata changin ala lu ta tiro stomata chang khan ala lu ta chuan water amamo boka chu soil changin ala lu ta chuan carbon dioxide le water kha chemical reaction tu khan energy amamo chu energy chu sunlight in a provide sunlight in a ron pe chuan kha sunlight kha plants khan lo dong tu lo man tu tur kha nga ya chu chlorophyll kha green color leaves shing tu color pe tu kha khang kha sunlight kha alo capture ni chu chuan chemical process kha atheng ta tiro chuan a product chu carbohydrate ba ka oxygen gas a produce sela chu oxygen chuan kha oxygen ka heta stomata changin a chuak le stomata chang kha oxygen a chuak le chu mishing in ti khang kan lo hi blue da tiro and look at page 3 page 3 kha lo enula page 2 le 3 khan photosynthesis tu na ka soi zong kha a ong vek lo chia tu oh page 2 และ3ค่ะเราเสียตัวค่ะ desktop ค่ะ next page synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates ค่ะพวกกันสวยงามโอ้จินะค่ะ nitrogen ได้กันดีค่ะ proteins protein เซ vitamin เซfat เซค่ะข้างเสียมนางค่ะcarbon hydrogen และ oxygen บากะค่ะplants ค่ะ nitrogen นั่นมันหมอจู nitrogen จูค่อยจังเงี้ยในกันที่จ้าเฮตากันบ่รัวกะ70%ค่ะ nitrogen เนี่ยมาเสียค่ะ plants ค่ะอันมังเทงดเราอันมันเทดูกัน usable form อ่ะ convert ง่ายอ่ะจู่ๆสวยละค่ะใน convert พอตาin convert พอตาจนconvert no usable form ค่ะplants in water อ่ะ Hebrew รัวค่ะตัวอย่างค่ะ water อ่ะค่ะอัตเลเวงค่ะpage 4พวกค่ะเชื่อดูsynthesis of food plant food other than carbohydrate the carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These are used to synthesize other components of food such as proteins and fats. But proteins are nitrogenous substance which contains nitrogen. From where do the plants obtain nitrogen? The nitrogen is present in abundance in gaseous form in the air. However, plants cannot absorb nitrogen in this form. Unusable form. Soil has certain bacteria that convert nitrogenous gases nitrogen into a usable form and release it into the soil. Soil convert to these are absorbed by the plants along with water. A convert to usable form the plants can absorb there. Who is this ma umte ngay khala screen khala khoi chen lo la attention ni pe lo ti chang then also, you might have seen farmers adding fertilizers rich in nitrogen to the soil. In this way, the plants fulfill their requirements of nitrogen along with the other constituents. Plants can then synthesize proteins and vitamins. Autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. To conserve main bear kang to siam na man to photosynthesis photosynthesis ka koi mo lu to photosynthesis de lo chuan green plants in to siam thei lau food siam thei lau
survey thấu
who is that kang om cha du lau kha chu kan remove mak makang. The next topic is other mode of nutrition in plants. Autotrophic mode of nutrition kan zir zo cha do da chuan a second type kha heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Ending mani to in siam thela green plants lo zung khan ending cho an lak lu ve ending an taksa khan cho an lak lu ending an man le khang kha next topic ania heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants green plants lo kha chon chon in siam thei lo sha tu green plants lo kha chon chon in siam thei lova plants chen khat antirnan mushroom kan ti te pa kan ti ho kha hang pa shing im mu tem kan mu ai lo te ro avare mo uk deu ten ni chin chuan anwa green color an nei lo chuan food an in siam thei lo an manin chuan in siam thei chu wang chuan an survive nan an mani an plant se khang organism zang ho ai nourish nan khan an chan nan te khan food an mo ve thawa engting plants green plants siam sa kha an lak lu ang ti ka hemi topic ai han kan zirang timing ka wait okay next class lo kan so yang topic thar hi chuan photosynthesis la ya khan zo du she thiam lo lai o mem chu lai chu ka she thiam lo ti
Nomis.
Nomis.
ti kha ka zo tang cheu o ni le ni le ka zo tang cheu o zo nei nei lo chuan in she thiam vek chuan photosynthesis green plants khan food siam tur khan enge raw material sa mamo kha patni mamo a eng tinge mamo kha in chong don chuan in mic kha on ula mic lem asen om kha kha ATM mamo kha carbohydrates siam green plants in photosynthesis ahan food siam dong khan pani raw material mamo ne ya tung te chu carbohydrate I mean carbon dioxide le and water carbon dioxide and water chuan carbon dioxide and water kami kha anei to chuan kami pani combine tu tur kha nga ya energy amamo a chu khoi chenge nei chuan sunlight sunlight sun atang khan energy chuan kha sunlight kha low capture tu plants a khan low cool tu rangai ni chu an man tang kha chu chlorophyll khan a low man plants a low store kho man ni chu energy formin chlorophyll khan chuan chlorophyll chu nge kan ti chuan green pigment green colors in leaves kha leaves sishing tu kha color pe tu kha plants in pigment color shang ane entinang carrot te chuan atak lai carrot kan echin lai a khan chlorophyll te lo tiro green pigment te lo orange color khami orange pigment kha om dei tiro carotenoids antia tiang khan plants khan arong khang pe tu khan pigment shang mishing te pong kan nei ve kan ya ma se khang chlorophyll ten ti ve lawa mishing a chuan kan skin color te nga tinge rong shang ani achen kan han hanga achen an ngawa tiro kha kan pigment khami siam tu vun rong siam tu kha om ve wang ani chum zona nei lo lo chervek ro page 4 thleng kha other modes of nutrition in plants khami mazong kha khami mazong kha lo chervek tu hemitlasa oxygen ron chwa dan te kan zira tiro oxygen kha trees give us oxygen kan tia ma se in tinge trees kan min pek chwa kha kan la chelo chuan hemi chapter atang khan chu kan sha to chu theng hi lo tur photosynthesis product process a product pakhat ani chu cho siam carbohydrate siama a product pakhat ani chu oxygen chu to khazong kha voin tan chuan lo in servek ru